Welcome to Blissful Buddha. We bring rare ancient guided meditation techniques right from the far Himalayan range country, Tibet. Most of us are blessed with five main senses: taste, smell, vision, hearing, and touch. And mostly, all of us have a good command on them, but don't know how to use them collectively. Combination of any two or more senses together can make another stronger sense, sometimes called as our sixth sense. So, what is our sixth sense? Some people have great intuitions. Some can predict better than others, whereas some don't have it even. Unknowingly, we depend a lot on our sixth sense, but we never thought of it. Ask yourself how many times the phrase "I think" you used in the past couple of days, and how many times that "I think" was correct. That's your intuitions. By saying "I think," you believe what will be wrong or right in the future. So, that's the way you make predictions for the future. And depending upon the predictions, you act upon them. So, depending upon how you acted becomes how much successful you will be. So, it's necessary to have good command on our sixth sense to judge what's wrong or right, what's safe or dangerous, or you can say to judge all the who's, what, when, where, and ifs and buts of our life. We must master our sixth sense too. Means overall judging the good vibes around us with our sixth sense. So, master all your five senses, and you will see you have mastered the sixth sense automatically. You will feel the differences in you. Your decision power, your confidence, the energy, and many more other surprises will drastically improve. So, as it is mastering the sixth sense, so it will be a series of guided meditations in which we will be covering each and every senses of ours in detail in 6 different sessions. So, let's meet again in our next session, the power of hearing.